When you're not feeling well, your doctor might prescribe an antibiotic to knock out the illness that's ailing you. As we all know, long-term real health goes well beyond a pill or a shot and requires more than simply addressing symptoms. This same principle holds true for your lawn. Just like some medicines might only eliminate symptoms, most lawn treatments only temporarily address your lawn's weed, insect, and bare spot problems, and don't provide a long-term cure or create a good, healthy lawn. That's because these lawn problems are only symptoms of your lawn's underlying problem, which is unhealthy soil. Unhealthy soil has an unbalanced pH, and weeds thrive in it. Unhealthy soil is also tightly compacted, which prevents food, air, and water from moving into the root zone where your grass needs it. Jonathan Green has the solution to your lawn and soil problems: the new American Lawn Plan. This plan will work on all lawn and soil types, and just like people, once your lawn has truly good health, it shows. Download a copy of the New American Lawn Guide at newamericanlawn.com or pick one up at your local hardware store or garden center. Their lawn care consultants will prescribe a plan that addresses what your lawn really needs. By using genetically superior Black Beauty grass seed with the proper combination of organic and traditional fertilizers, you'll find that getting a great-looking, carefree lawn year after year is really quite easy.